Yo, what's up everyone? So this is the video you're watching is being shot on the new Sony Z1. I just bought this device and this camera is just awesome, and especially this is my first ever camera. So I was really hyped up about this, and especially the product mode and everything is just awesome on this device. Like everything, if you will do this, you can see the blur and everything. This just focuses instantly, and this thing is just awesome in terms of that focusing and everything. So yeah, the intro was a little weird, but all right. So this is not usual cameras thing I do not do on this channel. I usually do iOS stuff and tech stuff related to mobile phones. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe if you are interested in this kind of content. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into this video. Alright, so I just bought this device in India. This device I bought for 55,000, and right now the sale was going on the Amazon. I bought it from Amazon, and yeah, I have provided. Alright, so I have provided a affiliate link below, so you can go and check that link out, and you can get that this device if you are looking for a great camera. And plus the plus point this camera have is that this camera is really great in terms of focusing especially, and in terms of the main thing that got me into this camera was the defocus mode. Like it is just amazing. I will show you a clip from outside. I will be shooting a lot of cinematic videos from this device, so be sure to turn on notification because this content I will be uploading on this camera too. So yeah, I don't want you guys to miss that. So for example, let me show you here. So right now the defocus mode is not on. Let me turn it on. You can see the right now it is not blurry. Right now let me turn on the defocus mode. Now here you can see the blur have been increased a lot, and considering my camera is so far and it is doing this blur with just software, is just awesome. Now it's turned off and now it's turned on. So yeah, in low light right now the lighting is not that good in my house, so in low light the camera performance is also really great. I just have a small light here which is just providing some light on my face, but this is not that bright. So yeah, that's the thing. So I will be making one more update video with the whole review after my usage of this device, after everything. So I will upload on this channel really soon. And yeah, that's it for today's video. This was a quick little video that I just want to show you all this camera. And yeah, I have shot a quick video. You can see that how this camera is so capable and this camera is so good. Like first of all, here you can see the blur and everything is so good on this camera.